Hello everyone, welcome to Health Course channel. Today we will teach human embryology. The topic that will be exposed in this video will be about phenomena and changes that occur during the first week of gestation in an easy, quick and simple way. The idea with this is to mention the basic concepts within human embryology in an extremely short and concise video. For the first week to occur, the first thing that has to happen is fertilization. And what is fertilization? It is the process by which the male and female gametes fuse. The male gamete will be the sperm, and the female gamete will be a secondary oocyte. When these two unite, fertilization occurs, and this happens on the first day. How long does it last? Approximately 24 hours. And where does it take place? Usually in the ampulla of the uterine tube or fallopian tube. The result of fertilization will give rise to a zygote, and thanks to this zygote, life is born. This zygote has 46 chromosomes, the result of 23 chromosomes provided by the sperm and another 23 by the secondary oocyte. Therefore, it is a diploid cell and will be surrounded by the zona pellucida. On the second day, segmentation occurs. The zygote undergoes a series of mitotic divisions that increase its cell number. The first division of the zygote takes place approximately 30 hours after fertilization. The cells resulting from this division are called blastomeres. The next division results in 4 blastomeres and takes place 40 hours after fertilization. The third segmentation comprises the 8-cell stage, and at this stage, the blastomeres reach maximum contact with each other, forming a compact cell sphere that is held together by tight junctions. This process is compaction. Around the third day after fertilization, the cells of the compacted embryo divide again to form the 16-cell morula. The cells inside the morula constitute the inner cell mass, and the surrounding cells constitute the outer cell mass. The inner cell mass gives rise to the embryo, and is therefore called the embryoblast, and the outer cell mass gives rise to the trophoblast, which in the future gives rise to the placenta. On day 4, the morula enters the uterus, and fluid begins to penetrate through the zona pellucida into the intercellular spaces of the inner cell mass. This results in a fluid-filled space called the blastocele. At this time, the embryo is called a blastocyst, and the embryoblast is positioned at a pole called the embryonic pole, and the trophoblast cells flatten and form the blastocyst wall. On the 5th day, the zona pellucida is removed, and this allows the blastocyst to attach to the endometrium of the maternal uterus. On the 6th day, implantation occurs. The blastocyst attaches to the endometrium by means of its embryonic pole. The most frequent location is the upper third of the posterior wall of the uterus, and upon attachment, the trophoblast divides into 2 layers, an inner layer and an outer layer. The inner layer is called cytotrophoblast, and the outer layer is called syncytiotrophoblast. The latter produces human chronic gonadotrophin hormone. By the 7th day, the endometrium is eroded by the syncytiotrophoblast through its enzymes, and the embryoblast generates 2 layers, a cylindrical layer called epithelial and a cubic layer called hypoblast, which later form the bilaminar germinative disc. These are the phenomena that summarize all the events of the first week of development. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments. I invite you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Greetings and success in your exams.